14 amazing benefits of banana peel for your plants that you need to know. Hey my dear friends, did you know that banana peel can be a natural miracle for your plants? Today, I'm going to share 14 incredible benefits of banana peel that can significantly boost your plant's growth. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. The benefits of banana peels for plants. You won't believe the amazing uses of banana peels in agriculture, which we often consider as mere waste. Bananas are a great source of phosphorus and potassium for our bodies, and their peels provide the same benefits for our plants. They decompose quickly, so simply remove them and place them in the hole where you plant your crops. As fertilizer. Using banana peels as fertilizer for plants is not a baseless myth. There are many reasons why people choose this organic fertilizer as a substitute for harmful chemical fertilizers. Banana peels decompose quickly, so burying them in the soil adds an excellent source of nutrients. Brewing compost tea. Instead of creating a large and labor-intensive compost pile, simply place a few banana peels in a bucket full of water and let them sit for a few days. The result? A nutrient-rich banana tea that strengthens your flowers and vegetables, helping them grow faster. Encouraging plants to bloom. As mentioned, banana peels are rich in potassium, an essential nutrient that helps plants produce large and beautiful flowers. Potassium also aids in water and nutrient transport within plant cells and protects them from diseases. This incredible nutrient prepares plants for the reproductive phase, making a decomposed banana peel an excellent bloom booster. Soil enrichment. Give your garden soil a nutrient boost by burying 1 or 2 banana peels. Dig an 8 cm deep hole just long enough to fit the banana peel, place the peel inner side down, and cover it with soil. Over time, the peel will release essential nutrients like iron, calcium, potassium, and phosphorus into the soil. Aphid control. Though not scientifically proven, this method is worth a try. Use banana peels or dried banana pieces by either hanging them near plants or burying them in small 2 to 2.5 cm deep holes close to the plants. Aphids are known to dislike the scent of ripe bananas, so this trick may drive them away. Adding to compost. Banana peels break down quickly and easily, making them a great addition to compost piles. Chop them into small pieces, soak them in water, or blend them into a semi-liquid solution before adding them to compost. This prevents unwanted animals from being attracted to whole banana peels. Incorporating banana peels into compost increases phosphorus and potassium levels. Attracting butterflies and birds. Placing ripe banana peels in your garden can attract birds and butterflies. You can also cut the peels or poke holes in them to release the fruit's aroma, making them more appealing to insects and providing easier access. Bananas are excellent for attracting bees, regular wasps, and butterfly larvae. Just make sure to place the peel above ground level and remove it before sunset to avoid attracting unwanted nocturnal insects. Feeding air plants. Parasitic plants that survive for years, such as staghorn ferns and elkhorn ferns, don't develop roots in soil. Instead, they grow on tree trunks and absorb nutrients from the air. Spraying them with a banana peel solution ensures they receive the nutrients needed to thrive. Feeding plants with banana vinegar. Acid-loving plants like gardenias, azaleas, and blueberries will benefit from a timely spray of banana vinegar. Using vinegar in small amounts boosts soil acidity and increases its iron content, promoting healthier growth and lush foliage. To make banana vinegar, ferment banana peels following standard vinegar making processes. If the mixture has a strong vinegar smell, dilute it with water to prevent burning the plants. Preparing garden soil. Fertilizing soil with natural materials like banana peels improves its quality and prepares it for planting. Simply chop the peels into small pieces and bury them in the soil. This increases beneficial bacteria populations and supports earthworms, which aerate the soil and enhance its quality. Be sure to bury them deep enough to avoid attracting pests like moles or rabbits. Placing air plants on banana peels. When arranging air plants, place a banana peel beneath them, cover it with moss or mulch, and then position the plants on top. The decomposing peel acts as compost, gradually releasing essential nutrients to support plant growth. Feeding tomato plants. If you want healthy and productive tomato plants, don't overlook banana peels. They enrich the soil with potassium, calcium, and iron, providing essential nutrients for growing tomatoes. Dig a hole near the base of your tomato plants, being careful not to damage the roots. Chop a few banana peels and place them in the hole, simple yet effective. Feeding seedlings. Cut banana peels into small pieces and bury them just beneath the soil surface or at the bottom of seed trays. This supplies young plants with vital nutrients. However, ensure that seeds or seedlings don't come into direct contact with the peels, as this could burn their delicate roots. So next time you buy bananas and make yourself a delicious banana smoothie, don't forget to nourish your plants too. Don't miss these magical tricks. Watch the video, try them out, and see the amazing results. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, leave a comment, and share them with your friends.